If you're looking for an email server platform, then you're in the right place. Today, we are going to put two of the top dogs head to head. We're having a look at IredMail, and we're also having a look at Mailcow. We're going to figure out what options they have for you as a user and why one is more beneficial than the other. So without further ado, let's check them out. All right, so if you are looking for a professional mail server made simple, then IredMail might just be for you. So you can deploy a complete mail server solution in minutes with IredMail. The open source mail server package combines power and simplicity. Whether you're a system administrator or a small business owner, IredMail provides enterprise-grade email functionality without the complexity of the setup. So the rapid deployment. You can set up a full-featured mail server in under 5 minutes with pre-configured images designed for quick implementation. It runs on multiple Linux and BSD distributions, including Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, FreeBSD, and OpenBSD. It also has a very flexible infrastructure, so it works seamlessly on both physical hardware as well as virtual environments, including VMware, Zen, KVM, OpenVZ, and VirtualBox. Some of their comprehensive email management features include their ability to deliver comprehensive suites of email services with minimal configurations required. The intuitive web-based administration panel simplifies user management and server maintenance. This includes a multi-domain hosting from a single server instance, integrated calendar and contact services, database flexibility with OpenLDAP, MySQL, MariaDB, and PostgreSQL support, and modern webmail access with AJAX interface and a global LDAP address book. The last thing over here is their enterprise-grade security and, of course, their data sovereignty. So you get complete data control. This is an important element. All your email data remains stored locally on your servers, ensuring maximum privacy, regulatory compliance, and complete ownership of your information. It comes with secure password storage using SSHA 512 and bcrypt hashing with support for two-factor authentication and enforced password policies. It also has integrated spam assassin filtering, ClamAV antivirus scanning, and anti-brute force measures through firewall and fail to ban. IredMail enforces TLS and SSL connections for all communications, ensuring that your mail traffic remains encrypted and protected from interception. This multi-layered security approach provides a comprehensive protection against any common email threats. Okay, so let's start with Mailcow. So Mailcow actually delivers a comprehensive Docker-based email suite that offers more advanced control and modular management. This is great for organizations. This powerful platform also integrates with multiple technologies, including Postfix, Dovecot, Spam Assassin, and SOGO groupware. And this is to create a complete email solution. This means that there's no gaps and no missing pieces. The system also excels at managing multiple domains and mailboxes while providing robust spam filtering, antivirus protection, and also flexible authentication options via LDAP or OIDC. It's also designed with scalability in mind, and it offers an extensive customization capability to accommodate anyone that is growing their user base and evolving with their requirements. So some of the other items here is that you can have a user account and a domain management, which is capable for multiple email domains. Your mailbox quotas and granular permissions controls are fantastic. This helps you to distribute permissions effectively. And then it also has a comprehensive security setting system and also filtering rules. So it's really, really awesome. It is also free to install, and you must account for hosting and server costs. This will be based on your chosen infrastructure. Let's have a look now at some of their ideal use cases. So yes, we've got power users and organizations. So it's perfect for businesses requiring custom email solutions with precise control over every aspect of their email infrastructure. It also excels at handling emails for multiple domains or teams with quite diverse needs. And it's ideal for anybody that's requiring high configurability, deep integration capabilities, and more sophisticated security control. All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a fantastic roundup, a good head-to-head comparison. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. If you have any feedback, you can leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.